Buyback program for old electronics and end-of-life gadgets purchasing program. Get back up to speed today. Are you tired of old electronic gadgets? Does your old electronics gadget sit in the storage? Do you need high-speed processing gadgets? It is easy here at tronicscenter.com. We offer multiple programs for companies and individuals. We do offer programs such as Overstock Purchasing Program, Old Electronic Buyback Program, Electronic Upgrade Program, EOL Electronics End-of-Life Purchasing Program. It is easy if you are a company that wants to get rid of your old gadgets, such as computers, laptops, iPads, or any other old electronic device. You contact us providing info about the gadgets. Do you want to get rid of it? And we give you a quote about those old unwanted gadgets. Once you accept the quote, we start the process. It's simple and easy. In most cases depends on the quantity and weight we can arrange to pick up. It doesn't matter if they are old or broken. We do have multiple programs that can help you and help nature. We do accept all brands, such as Apple, Samsung, Lenovo, Razer, Asus, Nikon, HP, Toshiba, Sony, Dell, Acer, and many other. We do wipe your gadget's data securely, so no need to be worried. Recycling the e-waste saves space in landfills and prevents the environmental pollution caused by the toxins. Recycling also reduces the need for landfills in the first place. Goods made from recycled materials use less water, create less pollution, and use less energy. Let's practice ways to reduce e-waste and hazards together. Sell your unwanted old electronics. Donate your unwanted old electronics. Recycle and dispose of your old unwanted electronics properly with tronicscenter.com. You can visit our website anytime for more details. www.tronicscenter.com, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming updates.